Begin with a slip stitch and chain 2. In the back bar of the chain, so rotate your chain over, grab this bar, and work a half double crochet 2 together. So yarn over, insert your hook in that back bar, and pull up a loop. Yarn over, insert your hook back into that same spot. Your first one's going to be the trickiest. Yarn over. You now have 5 loops on your hook. Yarn over and pull through all 5 loops on your hook. Okay, our half double crochet 2 together is completed. Now chain 1. You can easily identify where the back bar of the chain 1 is now because it's stretched over and naturally creates a hole. We're going to just work half double crochet 2 together in that back bar. So yarn over, insert your hook into that back bar, pull up a loop, yarn over, insert into that same spot, whoops, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through all loops on your hook. Chain 1, and again you can easily see that back bar. Work a half double crochet 2 together. To make the other side match, you've completed your last half double crochet 2 together and your chain 1. You're going to just rotate and work down along the opposite side. Just insert your hook into that space and complete a slip stitch. Chain 1, insert your hook into the next space and complete a slip stitch. Chain 1, slip stitch. And repeat this to the end. Now that both edges have been completed, you will see there's still some stretch to it, but it does hold its shape a little bit better. Hope you enjoy this beautiful decorative cord.